If someone asks you for advice, think knowledge speaks, wisdom listens. Advice only works if a person requested it. Less empathy and more listening. If someone asks you for your advice, follow these steps.
Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all my new updates. Understand expectation. When someone asks you for your help or says that they want to talk to you,
Clarify what they need from you by asking, "Sure, I'll help you, but what do you need from me?" It will help you to get a clear expectation.
listen first. Silence is your advice. Don't ask questions yet, even if you don't understand some details of the story. Let the other person unload their emotions and issues first.
First, you take notes so that your mind will not get distracted. What to ask, what doubts you have with the problems while they are saying. So, take a note, it will help you to get a clear picture of the problem.
Ask questions. Now, this is the time after listening to the problems.
Providing clarity to the advice, ask, "How do you feel? Are you okay?"
They are open enough for the person to start talking as well as they address both events and emotions involved. Help them to frame the problem. Before discussing possible course of action, the person need to understand what she or he is going through. Most people can't find a solution because they can't separate details from the real problem.
What would you like to happen? Ask this question to set up the base to explore the solution.
Any advice you give will be useless if it doesn't enable the transformation that the other person expects.
Don't give solutions, give options. This is the way you have to do. Is a common statement you always used to do where the conversation gets stuck.
Find several options rather than pushing for the one you like the most. Analyze the potential solution. Continue the dialogue, but this time evaluate the pros and cons of the different ideas.
Always remember the solution is evaluated through the eyes of the other person, not from your perspective.
Avoid the trap of if I were you. Problems are personal. The same applies to find the right solutions. It is not you who are facing the problem.
Even if they ask you, "What would you do?" Push back and keep in mind that she is the one with the problem. Let her take the decision. Give only options.
People want to talk to you, not to listen to your advice. Don't assume help should come in the form of words. Listen to others. The best advice you can give is your silence. Ask questions. Help people to find the solutions that will work for them.
And remember, let others be the smartest person in the room. And yay, don't follow my advice.